Hi, I'm Jennifer Cotnoir. I'm a school counselor from Alexandria, Virginia at St. Louis Catholic School. We're a K-8 Catholic school here in Alexandria. We're just coming off of having Mr. Peace here with us for 2 days. Yesterday he did 2 assemblies for us. He did one for the kindergarten through the 4th graders, all on positivity, and one for the 5th through 8th graders as well. This is our 3rd time having Mr. Peace come visit us. So if that's any testament to his worth, he shares his heart. It's super powerful. Our kids love it. Today, he was with us all day doing a retreat for our 7th and 8th graders, and my heart is full watching the students open themselves up and be vulnerable and choose to go to confession all on their own. A lot of them was so humbling. I highly recommend that you have Mr. Peace come to your school, to your parish, and I'm happy to talk with anybody who would like more of a testimony. Thank you.